Hi, welcome to Phoenix College Photography. I'm going to give you a tour of our facilities. Right now we're entering one of two digital labs. We have 15 workstations in a large classroom with our printers, teacher station, and over to the far left you see our finishing area. Hot mount press, dry racks, heat dryer for the prints. But right now we're going into our processing area, and I'm going to take you into the darkroom. Come on, let's take a peek. This is our darkroom. It's quite spacious. We have 20 LPL Omega enlargers that will hold up to 35mm film all the way to 4x5. Each station has at least one 8x10 easel, glass for contact printing, and we also have a UV bed for alternative processing. We're back in our film processing area. Right there you're seeing the changing rooms and the other side of the sink. Faucets. Ding ding. As you can see, we have a very spacious darkroom and an ADA compliant sink, which you see is a little bit lower than the regular sink. Omega LPL enlargers that have black and white contrast filters built into these color heads. Here's another vantage point of our darkroom. This is our second digital lab dedicated to photography. In this lab, we have 17 monitors. In fact, each station is equipped with 2 monitors. This is our commercial studio with our built-in psych wall. We have a lot of backdrop paper, as you can see over in the corner there. We have a little green screen. We also have a grid for video lighting. You can see one of those lights popping down into the frame. We have a bunch of soft boxes. This is one of our largest. For hot lights, we use airy lights. We have a couple of kits with soft boxes in these. We have a variety of strobe units, but we have committed to Pro Photo. Our printers are all Epson. This is our new P6000 24-inch printer. It's absolutely fabulous. And we still have the Epson 7800. We celebrate both film and digital, as you can see here. Come on down to Phoenix College. Ask for Jennifer LaFoon. She'll give you a tour. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. 602-285-7280. Jennifer.LaFoon@phoenixcollege.edu. Thanks.